Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Temu affiliate program. So let's get right into it. First of all, you have to go on Temu official website. So once you reach to the website, then you have to hit on get started button, which is absolutely free. So simply click on it. To join the Temu program, you must have to create your account on Temu first. So once you will click on this button, the pop-up will appear on the screen. Here you have to write your email address or your phone number, and then you have to click on continue. Write your password over here and then sign in. So now you have to solve this puzzle and you have to slide left. So guys, once you will hit on the continue button, then this type of window you will see on your screen, and here you have to enter the password reset code, which will be sent to your email address. Just simply write your password over here. Okay, once you're done with your code, then here you have to write your password, then you have to click on continue. As you can see guys, my password has been updated and my account has been created on Temu. So guys, once you've signed up the program, then you have to share your link or code and you have to invite people, and then you will be able to earn. And the best thing is you can reward with $5 at the time when you sign up on the Temu, and you can earn up to $5,000 every month. So join Temu and then you can earn extra from here. So that's it guys. So this is how to join Temu affiliate program. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.